Alright, Suda. Come on. You ain't got one favorite? Hmm? Which one is your favorite? I like that one, Ahmed. That's my favorite. You ain't got one favorite? The dot? I like that one too, Ahmed.
Mommy.
Huh? Cold. Ahmed.
I'm too hungry, Mommy.
I'm too cold, Ahmed.
It's the only place to eat. I'm so hungry. I'm gonna starve to death.
Wait, Suki. Don't come here, son.